but definitely not a lot. Definitely not a lot. Like you can see right there, not a lot of people over there. Perfectly fine, not a big deal. People going out there for a walk, they're stretching their legs, not a big deal. People in the media like to make it out to be bigger than what it is. It's just regular people just walking around. Most people are staying home, so like there's not a massive amount of people there like there was that one time. Yeah, it could be anything. It was like a fluke thing. It was like warm weather. People wanted to get out, but overall, people aren't going crazy and just bungling up all together in one spot. Another playground area. Nobody there. Biking area, a few people there, but not a ton of people at all. Oh, right there, see? A fair amount, not like a huge amount. Near Guggenheim right now. Overall, it's not that bad. I don't see what the big deal is. Emergency, like New Yorkers are ignoring orders. Just a fair amount of people there going out there stretching around. They don't want to like stay inside forever. So I don't really see a big, huge deal with the whole thing. So that's it for now. Flag off.